All right. Look at that. Yeah. St. Pete, Florida, on St. Pete Beach. And they just took me out in a boat called Bucket List. And isn't that funny? Because that's what this is. It's on my bucket list. I'm here parasailing. Oh my goodness. What a good time this is. I'm not that high up. I've done a lot of things high up in the air. Jumped out of helicopters. I've jumped off of cliffs. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful day. Over there, you see where all the buildings are and everything? That's St. Pete Beach. I could try to come down to Florida once a year, visit my son Jay and my daughter-in-law Tam and grandson Little Bubs. Okay, there we go. Getting caught in the wind now. Turbulence? No thanks, I'll stick with the peanuts. Had to take my hat off. My head's gonna be sunburned. I will say this, if you're prone to seasickness or motion sickness, definitely take a couple Dramamine or whatever it is that you take. With the wind picking up here a little bit. Hey, hello, hey. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Ah! Uh-oh, looks like I'm gonna be shark bait. Yeah, there we go. Wow, that was nice dunking. Thank you guys for not taking me too deep for shark bait. No, I haven't seen a shark yet. Yeah.
Stay on!
Yeah! What a great time that was. Down here on St. Pete Beach, Watersports, when you come down, look for that yellow top and you're at the right place. They got all kinds of stuff going on here. So unfortunately, got to call it a day. But listen, do me a favor. If you've enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. It helps our channel grow. And while you're down there, drop a comment, some feedback. It's always greatly appreciated. Hey, let me know if you've been to this place or you've been to another place, parasailing, jet skiing, whatever. It's a good time. Until next time, signing off from St. Pete Beach after a great time parasailing. Stay safe, stay well. By all means, stay on! Yeah!